The AccuSharp 4-in-1 Knife and Tool Sharpener is the outdoorsman's best friend for sharpening and honing your blades. Whether you're working in the woods, on the boat, or in the workshop, this is the tool you need to keep your blades in peak cutting form. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a retractable diamond-tapered rod for deep serrations with a groove for darts and fish hooks, and a retractable flat diamond file for a continuous sharpening surface. Rest your sharpener on a stable surface. Insert your blade at a 90-degree angle, and with light pressure, draw it several times through the coarse tungsten carbide notch past the point of the blade. Then, place the blade into the ceramic notch and repeat the process for a smooth finish. To use the tapered rod on serrations or gut hooks, simply push the rod away from the body to carve and hone the cutting edge. And to use the flat diamond file, push the blade along the surface to sharpen your blade to a finely honed edge. The 4-in-1 knife sharpener is available in blaze orange and black. The AccuSharp 4-in-1 knife sharpener. Keep your edge.